Hi everyone, this video is going to be a quick, hopefully 5-minute introduction into using a forum in Moodle. Great way, as it says, where students and teachers can exchange ideas by posting comments. There's 4 basic types and I'll go through them. To create a forum, first of all you need to turn editing on. You need to be logged in and then turn editing on. If you go down to the bottom of the topic you're working in and add an activity called forum. That may have slid off the screen a little bit, but it is there. Give the forum a name. I'm going to say it's a general forum. Alright, and you get some ideas what you want. I'm going to keep it a standard forum for general use. Now, if you want to know what these differences are, click on the help button and it will tell you what all the different forums are typed. Okay, so that's something for later on. I'm going to give you brief introduction. Forum introduction for general comments. Okay, now there's a few little things. Force everyone to be subscribed. We can say yes, as long as they're a member, they are subscribed to this forum. Yes, initially, as soon as they become a member of this course, they become subscribed, but they can opt out, knowing that it's their responsibility to find out what posts haven't been asked and questions raised and answered. And then no subscriptions. Okay, you've got read tracking, so you can keep track of what you have and haven't read, and a maximum attachment size. Now for students, I wouldn't suggest you go anything above 5 megabytes. Again, if you're wondering what it all means, push on the question mark. RSS feeds, if you know what RSS feeds now, that might be interesting to you. You can grade forums, so you've got average of ratings, counts, maximum, sum of ratings, and so on and so forth. That's the aggregate type, so you can click on the question mark to find out what all that means, and depending on which grade you select, all these other options come up and ready. You can block if you want to. You can set all this blocking up. Again, question marks. I'm not going to worry about groups at the moment. What I'm going to do is save and return to course. So it's very generic, very simple setup. And you'll see that I now have a general forum. Now if you've got Ajax enabled, you could drag that to wherever you want. I'm going to put it up the top. Okay, if you don't have that, you'll have arrows in place of the little green drag and drop bar. Alright, so I've set up my forum. How do I go about using it? Well, I'm going to click on General Forum and I am going to write a post. So you can see in the top right hand corner it tells me the options that I can use or I have available to me. At this moment I'm the teacher or the student, depends on who's asking the question. I'm going to add a discussion topic. The topic is hi, and I'm going to say, hi everyone, please introduce yourself to the group by leaving a message. That'll do. So there's my question, there's my subject, hi, there's my question. Now this particular forum isn't marked, so I don't need to do that, but you can set up a forum as an assignment so that then they can be graded on it if you wish. This one's just a generic Q&A type, oh, I can't find this, or I've lost my assignment, or it's going to be late, or what do I do about this type forum. The benefits of a forum is that instead of an email to the teacher, if it's not of a personal nature, and that's something to raise with your students and let them know, if it's a personal thing, yes, it's best to have a phone call or an email. But if it's a general question that could benefit the group, like, I can't find this resource in the Moodle, where is it? Well, the benefit of the forum is everyone who is subscribed to it, which hopefully is all of your students, they all receive an email of that question and they can reply to it. So it's not now reliant on one person, it's reliant on the whole group. So to reply. So instead of one teacher getting the email 15 times, someone could post that question, where is resource X, in one location, and everyone will receive that question and everyone will receive that answer. So it can be quite powerful. We've got a few options here. We could put an attachment in and so on and so forth. Send me email copies of post this forum. So yes, I do want to know when the replies come in. I'm going to post to the forum. This little mail now checkbox, if you tick that, it will go straight to the forum. If you don't, you've got 45 minutes to think about it and go, whoops, I made that mistake, quickly go back in and edit. So 45 minutes if you want to make any changes. So there you go, you can see there's the post. It hasn't been sent yet. If I wanted to change it, I just click on the post, the discussion topic, and you can see I have the little edit button. And I go back to the previous screen, I can edit and change. And if it's within the 45 minutes, it won't get sent to everyone a second time. Great little thing. You've got a few little options here of how you want to view your forum. Now you can play with that and look, see which one's the nicest. I personally like nested form. You'll notice one of these things, as the teacher, you can move discussions to different topics if they're in the wrong spot. So you might have 3 or 4 discussions going and someone's posted something in the wrong discussion. Well, you do have the power to move it into its right spot. And a search forum, so if your forum becomes quite large, you can search for a topic or a word and it will take you to that word. One thing you will notice is there's no close or exit or that type of thing. So the thing to do is to click on the breadcrumb to your course. There you go, 3, 4, 5 minute intro, whatever it is, into setting up and using a forum. Have fun.